When we talk about prehistoric animals, one thing that naturally comes to our mind is their sharp and large teeth. They were a great way to highlight the ferocity of those animals. So now let's look at a report on the teeth of the animals that ruled the past.